Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. This video will guide you on the best Shopify apps for conversions. So if you're looking to get your e-business up and running, then these apps are a must-have for conversions. With each passing year, the online space gets more and more competitive, so you need every advantage that you can get to stand out and boost revenue. The right Shopify apps can really take your store to the next level if used correctly. So here are our top 5 essential apps ranked from the least important up to the most important must-have applications. These are all the tools that I've used extensively in my own stores and seen great results time and time again. And coming in at number 5, we have Judge.me for product reviews and social proof. Now I'm sure that you've heard a lot about using an app called Loox for customer reviews. It's super popular in the dropshipping space. However, I actually advise staying away from Loox. When it comes to apps, you generally want to avoid the overhyped tools that every new e-commerce store seems to use. This makes your site look unoriginal and hurts the conversion rates. Instead, I recommend using Judge.me for a few key reasons. First, it has a beautifully clean, professional look on both desktop and mobile. You can completely customize the design to match your brand, even with the free plan. It also makes the review import process simple. You can easily pull in and display AliExpress reviews to make your products appear more legitimate right off the bat. And with Judge.me, you can showcase photo reviews prominently at the top. Photos and videos and reviews are proven to boost trust and conversion rates. If you upgrade to paid plans, you unlock more advanced features like moderating reviews, responding publicly, you can gather feedback with surveys, and more. But even at the base free level, it provides a cost-efficient way to add social proof quickly. Definitely give Judge.me a shot if you are looking for more customization. At number 4, we have the Upsell and Bundling app by Assortment. This is 100% free and one of the most powerful apps for boosting order values. As I'm sure you already know, advertising costs are rapidly rising across platforms like Facebook and Google, so it's crucial to maximize the amount each customer spends when you get them to your store. This app helps you do exactly that using the bundled offers and upsells on the product page. For example, it can show a message like buy one for $29.99 or get two for $49.98, and that way you can save up to 20%. Little prompts like this incentivize customers to purchase more units of a product to get a perceived discount or deal. And the extra units are pure profit for you, but the customer feels like they're getting ahead. It works across any type of product and it's designed not to interrupt the buying flow. Shoppers are not forced to take the upsell, it's just offered prominently on the page. Definitely give this free app a shot to increase average order value across your store catalog. Over time, it really adds up, especially with high-ticket products. Coming in at number 3 is an app called Sweet Tooth for post-purchase upsells. This one works wonders. Unlike the previous app, Sweet Tooth offers upsells after the customer has already purchased. Once their initial order is complete, they'll get a pop-up offering one more discounted product. This could say something like, flash sale, add a carry case for just $19.99 before this offer ends with a short countdown timer. The key difference here is the upsell comes only after the first purchase is locked in, so it doesn't interfere with the original buying decision at all. Think about it this way, once a customer has already pulled out their credit card and committed to buying from your store, they are much more likely to be receptive to a follow-up offer. Definitely take advantage of the free trial to see how it works for you. Moving up to the number 2 application, we have the Sticky Add to Cart app. This free plugin is amazing for boosting conversions by improving your add to cart rate. Here is the logic. In order to make a purchase, a customer must first add the product to their cart, so the easier you make that process, the more sales you'll generate. The Sticky Add to Cart app helps by keeping a floating action button at the bottom at all times. This ensures that customers always have a clear add to cart option as they scroll through product pages. Without this app, the standard add to cart button effectively disappears as you scroll down long product descriptions, and this causes shoppers to lose sight of the goal that you want them focused on. But the sticky button keeps that call to action front and center regardless of scrolling. It leads to a noticeable bump in add to cart rates, which then converts to increased purchases. Make sure to install this one for free on all your product pages. It's super quick win to lift your main conversion lever and getting visitors to add the product to their cart as the vital first step. And now for the number 1 most essential app in our opinion is Lucky Orange for advanced analytics and Heatmaps. This one is an absolute game changer. Lucky Orange installs tracking code on your site that records every customer interaction in detail. It then generates heat maps showing exactly where people click, tap, scroll, and move their mouse. You can also watch full session replay videos to observe exactly how customers navigate your site from landing to checkout or exit. These insights allow you to pinpoint pain points and optimizations better than any other analytical tool, as you see what parts of your site trigger exits versus engagement. It's basically installing security cameras across your online store. You get a complete overview of a real visitor behaviors that numbers alone don't show. For example, you may spot that people rapidly exit at a certain page section because an image is not loading properly. Or maybe a chunk of text has high engagement indicating it should be expanded. Now, Lucky Orange can slow your site if left on permanently. I recommend using it for a month or two max to gather data, but in that time it surfaces invaluable insights to increase conversions. Definitely take advantage of the free trial to understand your customers at a whole new level. Alright, so these were our top 5 absolute must-have apps for Shopify. Let's go ahead and cover some key strategies for optimizing your app usage. First off, resist the urge to overload your store with too many apps just because you can. I try to limit to 3 to 5 max that solve specific needs. Less is more. Each app adds more code to your site, which can slow things down. Balancing the site speed with functionality is key. Second, monitor how each app impacts performance. Use a tool like Google Page Speed Insights to check your site's loading time. If you notice speed decreasing after adding a certain app, you may need to optimize its settings or remove it entirely if it's non-essential. Don't be afraid to uninstall apps that are not pulling their weight. Track revenue and metric changes closely as you add new apps. If something is not contributing to growth, then just get rid of it. And finally, stay on top of app updates, backups, and security. Grant only essential permissions needed. Review update changelogs carefully to avoid unintended impacts. Follow these tips and you'll have the most streamlined, high-converting Shopify store possible. Also, if you're only just starting your Shopify journey, then I highly suggest that you sign up with the link in our description down below. It will grant you a temporary offer where you can open your Shopify store for only $1 per month for 3 consecutive months. So be absolutely sure to grab that offer before it's too late. Let us know in the comment section down below which applications mostly piqued your interest. If you think there are any other must-have apps in your opinion, then let us also know about them. If you found this video to be helpful or informative to watch, let us know by leaving a like and subscribing so you don't miss out on any future content that we make.